So now we've gone over the item master list. That still leaves us the question of how to make and edit the records for those items. Let's say that we just started offering large shoeboxes to complement our small shoeboxes we already sell, and we want to add it to our inventory list. First, go to the item master list and then click on the Create Item button. That'll take you to the Create Item page, a blank page where you can enter all of the information about your item. Now to save time, we've already written up the details for the entry, but I can go over them. Note how clicking on the Edit button brings you to the same page as the Create Item button. Here we can see the first field is the item ID. Note how you can't change it once an item has already been saved into your database. And remember that this has to be unique for each item. Then we have our description of what the item is, the category, which helps with searching, center code, which is an optional supplement to the category system, which your company might use. In that case, you should fill it in, although we don't use it in this demo database. We also set the default supplier and location on this page. This page has reorder information. It's the same as the page that we showed on the item master list that also covers reorder information. It's just another way to set the same information. Then we have information relating to work orders. This isn't going to be assembled, so it isn't relevant for this item, but we'll go over it anyway. The item is a make checkbox, allows you to set if the item can be produced in a work order. Using serial numbers allows you to use serial numbers for the item. Unique serial per part requires that each part have a unique serial number, and auto-assign serial number automatically assigns serial numbers to the item. These other two fields are additional informational fields that you can fill in. This section sets whether an item can be bought or sold and its pricing. Item is a buy and item is a sell checkboxes, respectively, allow you to purchase the item in purchase orders and ship it in shipping orders, and you can set its cost and price beneath those fields. You can also set the case price if it costs a different amount for a case than for just that many of an item. You can also set the weight, package type, and different price levels if you use differentiated price levels, although these won't be filled in automatically by purchase orders and you have to kind of set them yourself. And then finally, we have a page for certifications and inspections. You can check whether an item needs to be certified or not, or inspected or not in these two checkboxes. And if those are checked, you can then set how often the item needs to be certified by checking the certification units, which would be however many years or months, and then the number of those units in between inspections. Once you're done editing your record, you can hit save, and it will be added to the database. Then hit list or back to go back to the item master list. So that's all for item creation, but you're going to notice that we don't have any of our new item. So after this, we're going to go over purchase orders and buy some.